Welcome to this Mathcad 13 tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to find both the derivative and integral of the function f(x) equals x sin x. Type in the function f(x) equals x sin x to set our workspace. To find the derivative, use Mathcad's differentiation function, symbolized often by d/dx or a prime symbol. Upon applying, you'll get the derivative of f(x) displayed on the screen. Now, let's transition to finding the integral. Use Mathcad's integration function, which might be represented by a longs-like symbol. Specify the variable x and integrate. Mathcad 13 will compute and showcase the integral of f(x) on the worksheet. There you have it. We've successfully found both the derivative and integral of function using Mathcad 13. Of course, you can change the function. Have a look here. Xsin. Thanks for tuning in. Join us for more tutorials on Mathcad mathematical processes and functions.